Hey guys, what's up? It's Dean. This is Manful Yoga, and here is a 5-minute workout, full body. So what we're doing today is getting an effective workout in 5 minutes. So a big complaint is that I don't have time to work out. So we are going to work into mobility, generate some strength, and also get some body awareness in this quick 5-minute workout. Let's get started. First thing is a lunge. So we're going to push down through the right foot hard. Remember, this is only 5 minutes, so make it count. Press down through the thigh. So push your right thigh as close to the ground as possible and then plug your right leg into your hip. So pull it back and really push down hard with this right leg. So we are activating the quadricep, the hip flexor, your hamstring, and your glute with this lunge. Take a big breath in, and as you exhale, sink deeper into the lunge. So we're working on flexibility in the left leg through the hip. And again, keep pushing down through this foot. We're going to bring the arms up now, palms face back as much as you can, wrap the arms, and then bring your right hand to your right thigh, press your left fingertips up and over to the right, and get a big side stretch here. So we've got legs are being active, we've got a deep stretch through the hip, we're also getting a nice side stretch. So one more breath here, and then release and switch sides. So I've got the block here just in case you want to use that to start off. Left foot forward now. Push down hard through the left foot. Square your hips toward the front. Internally rotate this right thigh, but make sure that you're not pulling the right hip in front of the left hip. So right thigh internally rotates, pushing down with your left thigh, pushing the left thigh toward the ground, pulling your leg back into your hip, almost like you're plugging your leg into your hip socket. And then again, activating the quadricep, your hip flexor, your hamstring, your glutes, everything in your left thigh is engaged, and using your breath to go deeper here. So everyone take a deep breath in, exhale and sink, working deeper into that lunge. Keep your spine neutral, keep the integrity of your spine, so we're not arching the back and we're not letting our body collapse, but keeping upright. Left hand to your left thigh, right arm up, turn the palm to face back, big breath in, exhale to the left. So a side stretch now with this lunge. So working into the right side of your body, stretching the whole right hip, and also strengthening your left leg. Keep your chin up, keep your chest up. One more breath here. And then release. And from here, going into an active child's pose. So notice I said active. I'm going to bring the knees wide. Big toes touch at the back. Reach your tailbone down, so almost like you're getting a slight arch to your back. Walk your arms out in front of you. Keep that neutral spine. You want to make sure that your back is not rounded here. Relax your forehead down. But again, we're going to make this active. So I want you to push down into your index fingers and your thumbs. Turn your biceps to face upward. Wrap your triceps toward the ground. And then squeeze your arms and your shoulders toward one another to activate your whole upper body. Again, tailbone is reaching back. Lower back presses toward the ground, and your ribs draw in toward one another. So you want to have a flat back and not an overly arched back. So you're not pushing your chest all the way to the ground, but rather squeezing your abs in toward one another. So active child's pose, stretching your back, warming up your upper body for the next posture. Now, keep your upper body the same. Bring your knees in about hip width distant. Tuck your toes. Again, keep the arms really active. And then press your hips toward the back for downward facing dog. Shoulders are very active here. Tailbone is reaching up, thighs pressing back. Now, if you look back at your stomach, it should be the same as if you're in a mountain pose. So you want to have your abs drawn in toward one another. Shouldn't look like you're arching your back. So you're not pressing down like this and arching, but keeping your body in a straight line from your hands to your hips, still squeezing the shoulders toward one another, still pressing down through the index fingers and thumbs, and again, stretching the hamstrings now. Internal rotation to the thighs, external rotation to the ankles. Squeeze your legs toward one another, push your hips further away from you. So now full body exercise, working the whole back side of your body, opening up your chest, strengthening your back, your shoulders, strengthening your core, and stretching your hamstrings. One more big breath here. Breathe in. Exhale, push back. Go deeper. and then into a deep squat. Step your feet up, toes face straight forward, lift the ankles, or spin the ankles out, lift the arches, squeeze the legs toward one another, and sit down into a squat. Palms face up, biceps face up. Now squeeze your arms up toward the back. Palms are facing toward the back now. Keep your head neutral so the head is pulled back, neck is relaxed. Sit down a little bit lower. Push down through your feet. Make sure that your whole legs, both legs are active, glutes engaged, legs squeezing toward one another. Again, toes facing straight forward. If you can't get the toes forward now, do it later. Bring your neck back, lift your arms up higher to get more into the shoulders. Keep squeezing the arms back. One more breath. And then up all the way. All right, and then mountain pose, palms facing forward. Just take 3 breaths here. Shoulders relaxed, breathing in, expanding your chest. Exhaling, squeezing your belly button to your lower back. One more. And release. All right, guys, that was it. So quick 5-minute workout. No excuse for you not to have time to do your workout. Again, that is not a comprehensive workout. You're not going to be able to do that and get jacked, but you are going to be able to do that to help preserve mobility, to help get your muscles active, to help wake up, to help kind of reset your body during the day, especially if you work at an office or you spend a lot of time standing in one position. So, fantastic workout. Use this often. Use it every day if you have the time. Or if you don't have the time, rather, use this 5-minute workout every day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the members area. If you're not already a member, you can sign up at manfulyoga.com/7-days. Get full workouts, workout programs, so things for runners, strength trainers, cross training, etc. And then also diet and nutrition information to help fuel your body to either lose weight, if that's your goal, or to build muscle. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Thanks for joining me for this workout today. Make sure you subscribe. We put out lots of videos like this on a very regular basis. And to get full access to all of my workouts, my programs, tutorials, and more, head to manfulyoga.com, sign up for a 7-day trial. It's just $1. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.